I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with tremendo. Had to get it off the mental.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, man. I appreciate all the love and support, guys. This is a new day, as you guys can see. It is very beautiful outside, man. But let me get on topic, guys. I appreciate everybody that watched my video, man, from the truck show and everything, man. You know, I gained some subscribers and everything, man. Look, I really appreciate you guys. But I want to let y'all know, man, I want to see, man. But with that being said, guys, I want to appreciate everybody that, you know, show love on the videos and you know, tagging along with your boy, man. It's your boy King's Life, man. So today, I don't know what's going on today, guys, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling today and just see how it goes, you know what I'm saying? But today I gotta wash the ZL1, man. It is super dirty, so let me turn the camera around so y'all can see. So like I said, guys, it is super dirty, and crossfire super dirty. So if you're new stopping into my channel, guys, this is my 2008 Chrysler Crossfire. I have plans for this car, man. Supercharged, fender flares, all that good stuff, man. So y'all just stay tuned into the turbocharge for this truck, and it's gonna be lit, guys. I promise you, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be the first thing I ever done on a vehicle. So I might do it, or a shop might do it, I don't know. Y'all just stick around and see, man. But let's get up on this road, man. It's time to stop talking. Let's get up on this road and just figure out what our day gonna be like, man. All right, guys, I told y'all, man, to stick around for the video, man. You never know what y'all gonna get, man. So I'm about to go holler at my guy, man. I'm about to show y'all something that's really different and rare, man. You probably won't even see these on the street, man. So let's get to it. Guys, look at this thing right here, man. This is crazy. Crazy. Have y'all seen one of these before? Nope. Man, look at them wheels, man. That is super crazy, man. Look at the paint. Now, I'm not sure what this thing is called. Hey, here's the name right here. So y'all probably know it by name, but like I said, man, I ain't never seen one of these on the road, man. Look how big that wheel is in the back. That is super crazy right there. Hey, this is my guy 6C7. So y'all make sure y'all go give him a follow right there, man, on the Instagram. But man, look at this. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. I never seen nothing like this, guys. Never seen nothing like this. Well, we're about to head in the shop, man, and check with him. Talk to him for a little bit, man, and yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all just don't know what, never know what y'all gonna get in these videos, man. Y'all appreciate y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got the white paint on the brakes. Let's go holler at my boy, man. Go see. You know I had to pull up on you, man. Oh, he on the phone, y'all. Hey, what's up, man? Y'all see it, man. This thing is crazy. Y'all see it, man. This is sick, man. Look at the seats, guys. I know they're gonna be too dope. You gonna put carbon fiber here as well? Huh? Oh no, okay. Got you. This thing is crazy, man. Too crazy.
Bought some new brakes, so it's gonna be pretty sick. It's gonna be black on black.
Black on black?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I might do the brake caliper purple.
Purple? Yeah, that would be nasty.
Yeah.
That would be nasty, man.
I found the right purple.
Yeah. So like I said, guys, this is the owner here, man. Y'all can go give him a follow on y'all see it right here, 6C7, man. Make sure y'all go give him a follow, man. Look at that. This is a dope ride. guys, man. As you guys can see, man, that thing is super sick, man. He didn't call himself C7 sick for nothing, man. 6C7 for nothing, man. So hey, man, that's a crazy build right there, man. Like that is a lot of money tied into that, man. So when y'all building these vehicles, man, like that, y'all know that's a trophy right there, man. That is a straight trophy, man. Y'all know a lot of money go into those kind of builds, man. That's why I respect them for that, man, because they put a lot of money into that stuff, man. So that is a nice car, man. Like that's unbelievable, y'all. Like, man, I would love to have something like that, because it's different, guys. It ain't nobody, you will never seen one of those down here in town, you know, built like that, man. That is crazy. Y'all see it over there, man. Big things coming, man. Definitely. So he has a shop, he has a wrap shop as well. So we will be going to that wrap shop tomorrow. They do all kinds of things in that shop. So I want to just give y'all a tour of what he does, and what kind of work that they do in there, and what kind of builds that they have so far, man. So you know, he told me there's a lot of builds in there that he have that's custom, and you know, man, y'all just stay tuned for tomorrow's video, man. So this is your boy King's Life checking out with another video, man. That's all I got. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me, man, when y'all stopping into my channel, guys. It helps with YouTube to push my videos out. And comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think about this Valarra, man. I can't even pronounce the name, man. Like, I never seen nothing like that before, man. I never even heard of the car before. So y'all comment down below, man. Tell me what y'all think about this vehicle, man. You know, that is a sick build, guys. So this your boy King's Life, man, checking out with another video, man. I love y'all. Stay safe, stay motivated, keep grinding, and yeah, just like that, we out, man. Peace.